what is the excretion? Excretion is elimination of nitrogenous waste from the body. Okay, we are talking about nitrogenous waste. Nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea, uric acid. Okay, these are nitrogenous waste. Organisms that expel or eliminate urea from the body, those organisms are known as uricotelic organisms. Okay, uricotelic organisms like humans. So basically humans क्या excrete करते हैं? यूरिया. और that's why वो यूरिया excrete करते हैं, इसीलिए हम उनको क्या बोलते हैं? uricotelic organisms. Okay, 1 ml 1 gram urea. Okay, elimination of 1 gram urea needs 10 ml water. Okay, elimination of 1 gram urea needs 10 ml water. The process of urea formation occurs in liver. Okay, so site of urea formation in human body, this is liver, and the process is known as ornithine cycle. Okay, ornithine cycles. Now we are talking about human excretory system. Okay, whole excretory system. So in humans there are bean shaped structures. They are known as kidney. So in human there are 1 pair of kidney. Okay, 1 pair of bean shaped structure, that is kidney. Okay, kidneys are present. Okay, extended structure of kidney, that is known as ureter. So again 1 pair of ureter is present. Okay, and these ureter are open into a bag-like structure. Okay, is a bag-like structure. That bag-like structure is known as urinary bladder. Okay, urinary bladder. And there is one more opening which is known as urethra. And in males, urethra is a common opening for both semen as well as for urine. And there is blood vessels. Okay, this is dorsal aorta, which carries oxygenated blood towards the kidney, and this is inferior vena cava, which carries deoxygenated blood towards the heart. Okay, so now we are going to see the TS structure of kidney. TS structure of kidney. So kidney is bean shaped structure. Okay. Okay, at one end there is a notch. Okay, so the outer covering of kidney is known as renal capsule. Okay, this is renal capsule और ये बनी होती है fibrous connective tissue. Okay, and there are one more layer which is known as adipose capsule. Okay, and there are all adipose tissues. Okay, so this layer is known as adipose कैप्सूल और लेयर. ओके, जिसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्या होंगे एडिपोज टिश्यूज फॉर शॉक एब्जॉर्प्शन. एंड देयर इज अ वन मोर ओपनिंग, वन मोर लेयर. ओके, एडिपोज capsule followed by one thin layer that which is known as renal fascia. Okay, which provides rigidity to kidney. Okay, these three layers, renal capsule, adipose capsule or renal fascia combined, they are known as a protective coat. Okay, and they provide protection to the kidney. Okay, and I'm talking about this notch right now. Okay, so there is one notch. This notch is known as hilum or hilus. Hilus or hilum. Okay, and there is a extended structure. Okay, funnel shaped structure. There is a funnel shaped structure which is known as renal pelvis. Okay, now we are talking about hilus. Okay, hilus, there are blood vessels. Okay, बेसिकली हाइलस से क्या क्या चीजें एंटर हो सकती हैं किडनी में? द लिम्फ वेसल्स, ब्लड वेसल्स, नर्व्स एज वेल एज यूरेटर. ओके, दे आर coming to the entering in kidney and they are leaving the kidney. Okay, so this is the funnel shaped structure that is known as renal pelvis, and there is a extended structure of renal pelvis is known as ureter. Okay, so in kidney there are two compartments. Okay, one is darker and one is lighter. Dark shaded structure is known as renal cortex and light shade that is known as renal medulla. आप इस तरीके से भी बोल सकते हो that outer side of kidney is known as renal cortex or inner side of kidney is known as renal medulla. And there are 10 to 12 pyramid-like structure which are present between those compartments. These are known as renal pyramids. Okay, these are known as renal pyramid. Okay, at the इनके बीच में कॉर्टेक्स का जो पार्ट है वो आ जाएगा, and they form a column between the renal pyramids, and this column is known as column of Bertini. Okay, this column is known as column of Bertini, and in renal pyramid and there is a opening. Okay, this openings each renal pyramid have separate opening, and this opening is known as minor calyx. Okay, and each opening join the another opening, and they form major calyx. So this one is known as major calyx. Okay, and this major calyx goes into a renal pelvis and then ureter. Okay, so now we are going to see the TS of renal pyramids. Okay, so this is, suppose this is renal pyramid. Okay, as we know कि रीनल पिरामिड दोनों कंपार्टमेंट्स के बीच प्रेजेंट होता है, तो दिस इज द लाइन. ओके, द आउटर साइड इज नोन एज कॉर्टेक्स एंड इनर मोस्ट इज नोन एज मेड्यूला. ओके, एंड देयर इज अ ट्यूब इज प्रेजेंट, लॉन्ग ट्यूब स्ट्रक्चर. दिस ट्यूब इज नोन एज कलेक्टिंग डक्ट. कलेक्टिंग डक्ट. ओके, and in collecting duct, okay, collecting ducts में नेफ्रॉन्स की एक फिल्ट्रेशन करने वाली जो यूनिट होती है, द फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ द किडनी, जो कि फिल्ट्रेशन एंड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ यूरिन के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होती है, दैट इज नोन एज नेफ्रॉन्स. सो नेफ्रॉन्स की ओपनिंग होती है कहां पर? कलेक्टिंग डक्ट में. So there is a nephrons, and which is opens into a collecting duct. Okay, so 1 million, around 1 million nephrons are present in each kidney. Okay, each kidney they are 1 million in number, and in one collecting duct, okay, एक collecting duct में around 90 nephrons की openings होती है. Okay, and there is a blood vessels. Okay, they are blood vessels. अगर हम नेफ्रॉन्स की टीएस को देखें, सो नेफ्रॉन्स का स्ट्रक्चर कॉइल्ड स्ट्रक्चर होगा नेफ्रॉन्स का. सो दिस इज अ कप शेप्ड कैविटी, ओके, विच लीड्स टू कॉइल्ड स्ट्रक्चर. Coiled structure, which is known as PCT. Okay, so this cup-shaped cavity is known as Bowman's capsule. And this coiled structure is known as PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. Okay, and this coiled structure is known as DCT. Okay, distal convoluted tubule. Okay, so basically क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? Suppose this is blood vessels and these are capillaries. These capillaries are known as glomerular capillaries. Okay, so blood कहाँ से आएगा? From these capillaries. यहाँ से filtration होगा. फिल्ट्रेशन होने के बाद फिल्ट्रेट कहाँ पहुंचेगा? इन बाउमेंस कैप्सूल. बाउमेंस कैप्सूल से पहुंचेगा पीसीटी. पीसीटी से ये लूप ऑफ यू शेप्ड जो कॉइल्ड स्ट्रक्चर है, दैट इज लूप ऑफ हेनले. लूप ऑफ हेनले से होता हुआ ये कहाँ पहुंचेगा? डीसीटी में. डीसीटी से ये कहाँ पोर कर देगा फिल्ट्रेशन को? कलेक्टिंग डक्ट में. और ये कलेक्टिंग डक्ट कहाँ ओपन होती है? इन माइनर कैलेक्स में. ओके, दिस इज माइनर कैलेक्स. और माइनर कैलेक्स से कहाँ पहुंचेगा? मेजर कैलेक्स में. मेजर कैलेक्स से फिल्ट्रेशन कहाँ पहुंचेगा? इन फिल्ट्रेशन मीन्स यूरिन. यूरिन कहाँ पहुंचेगा? रीनल पैल्विस. रीनल पैल्विस से वो पहुंचेगा रीनल यूरेटर में. यूरेटर के बाद वो कहाँ पहुंचेगा? यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में. यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में वो कुछ शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए फॉर अ टेम्पररी पीरियड वो